Most of us rarely consider where our food comes from. We walk through the aisles of our local grocery stores, baskets in hand, and see shelves overflowing with fresh produce, colorful fruits, and vegetables from all over the country and the world. It feels like magic. Like these foods simply appear, ready for us to take home and enjoy. But the journey from farm to table is far more complex than most of us realize. We stroll into a grocery store and everything we need is just there. Apples from Washington, potatoes from Idaho, almonds from California. Each item has traveled hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles, passing through the hands of countless workers and machines before reaching our carts. The abundance we see is the result of a vast, interconnected system that works tirelessly to keep us fed. But behind this abundance lies a growing challenge: more people, less farmland. As cities expand and populations rise, farmland is being squeezed out, replaced by roads, buildings, and industry. The land that once grew our food is disappearing, and the pressure on the remaining fields is mounting. In fact, we have 38% less arable land per person than just a few decades ago. This means that every acre of farmland must now produce more food than ever before, and farmers are being asked to do the impossible: grow more, with less. So, how do we feed a booming population with shrinking resources? The answer isn't simple. It requires a combination of creativity, determination, and a willingness to embrace new ways of thinking about agriculture. The answer: innovation and the relentless work of farmers. Today's farmers are not just stewards of the land, they are problem solvers, scientists, and entrepreneurs. They're constantly searching for better methods, smarter tools, and more efficient ways to grow food for a hungry world. Farmers today face immense pressure: bigger yields, careful water use, unpredictable weather, all while trying to make a living. Droughts, floods, and shifting seasons can threaten entire harvests. Every year brings new challenges, and the stakes have never been higher. To meet these challenges, farmers are teaming up with scientists and engineers. Together, they're developing new crop varieties that can withstand harsh conditions, and inventing smarter irrigation systems that use every drop of water wisely. They're not just relying on hard work anymore. Technology is transforming their fields into high-tech labs and their tractors into smart machines. Drones now fly overhead, mapping fields and spotting problems before they spread. Sensors buried in the soil send real-time data to farmers' phones, helping them make decisions on the fly. This isn't your grandfather's farm. It's a revolution, working smarter, not just harder. The tools of today look nothing like those of the past, and the pace of change is only accelerating. Every year, farmers harvest over 3.2 billion tons of fruits and vegetables. That's enough to fill millions of trucks, trains, and ships, all moving food from fields to tables around the globe. It's a massive, coordinated effort that never stops. That food doesn't just appear. It's the result of human ingenuity and powerful machines. Behind every bite we take is a story of innovation, teamwork, and perseverance. These machines are the unsung heroes, enabling farmers to meet ever-growing demand. They work day and night through heat and rain, helping to ensure that no one goes hungry. In the next sections, we'll pull back the curtain on the mind-blowing machines quietly revolutionizing one of the world's oldest jobs. From autonomous tractors to robotic harvesters, get ready to discover the technology that's shaping the future of farming and feeding our world. For thousands of years, the story of agriculture was written by the sweat of human brows and the strength of animals. Early farmers relied on simple tools, their hands and the power of horses or oxen to till the land, plant seeds, and harvest crops. Life on the farm was grueling and progress was measured in inches, not miles. Generations passed down knowledge, but the pace of change was slow, and the limits of what could be grown or harvested were set by the physical endurance of people and their animals. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point. Steam engines and early tractors began to appear in fields, transforming the landscape of agriculture. These machines brought newfound power and efficiency, allowing farmers to cultivate more land than ever before. Yet, as revolutionary as these inventions were, they pale in comparison to the transformation happening today. A revolution not just of muscle, but of mind. We now find ourselves in the age of data, automation, and artificial intelligence. Farms are no longer just fields. They are high-tech ecosystems, where computers, sensors, and algorithms work together to optimize every step of the growing process. The modern farmer is as likely to carry a tablet as a shovel, and decisions are guided by real-time information rather than guesswork. Across the globe, more than 500,000 advanced machines now work tirelessly in fields, from sunrise to sunset. These fleets of tractors, combines, and harvesters are equipped with cutting-edge technology, allowing them to operate with unprecedented precision and efficiency. The scale of modern agriculture is staggering, with machines covering vast expanses of land that would have been unimaginable just a century ago. But these aren't just bigger, faster versions of old machines. Today's agricultural equipment is packed with sensors, cameras, and onboard computers. They are intelligent systems designed for precision agriculture, capable of analyzing soil conditions, adjusting planting depth, and even detecting pests or diseases before they spread. GPS-guided tractors plant seeds in perfectly straight rows, maximizing every inch of arable land. Drones soar overhead, scanning crops for signs of stress or nutrient deficiencies, and relaying that data back to the farmer in real time. Precision agriculture means less waste, healthier plants, and higher yields. With this wealth of information at their fingertips, farmers can make smarter, data-driven decisions. They can fine-tune irrigation, apply fertilizer only where it's needed, and respond quickly to changing weather or market conditions. The result? Lower costs, reduced environmental impact, and a more sustainable way to feed a growing world. Modern combines are nothing short of rolling factories. They can harvest, thresh, and sort grain in a single pass, completing in hours what once took entire communities weeks to accomplish. These machines are marvels of engineering, designed to keep up with the demands of a hungry planet. Today, a single farmer can oversee thousands of acres, managing multiple machines from a central control room or even remotely. Technology has become a force multiplier, allowing fewer people to produce more food than ever before in human history. But the revolution doesn't stop at size or speed. Artificial intelligence and advanced sensors now enable robots to identify and zap weeds with pinpoint lasers, or gently pick ripe fruit without damaging the plant. These innovations reduce the need for chemicals and manual labor, making farming more efficient and environmentally friendly. This remarkable fusion of strength, intelligence, and sustainability is what defines the new agricultural age. As we look to the future, it's clear that we are only at the beginning of this journey, one where technology and tradition work hand in hand to nourish the world. Water is agriculture's lifeblood, nourishing every seed and sustaining every harvest. Yet, as the world's population grows and climate change intensifies, this precious resource is becoming more and more scarce. Farmers everywhere are feeling the pressure. Fields that once flourished now struggle under the weight of drought and unpredictable rainfall. The challenge is clear: how do we grow more food with less water? For generations, old irrigation methods like flood irrigation were the norm. Water would simply be released to flow over the land, soaking everything in its path. But this approach wasted huge amounts of water, with much of it evaporating or running off before it could reach the roots of crops. In a world where every drop matters, such inefficiency is no longer an option. Enter modern irrigation systems, technologies designed to deliver water precisely where and when it's needed. Fixed sprinklers, for example, create a fine mist that gently coats crops, saving up to 40% more water compared to traditional flooding. These systems can be automated and adjusted for different crops and weather conditions, making them a smart solution for today's farmers. In places like the Netherlands, massive boom irrigators sweep across fields, mimicking the effect of gentle rain. These machines can cover vast areas efficiently, ensuring that every plant receives just the right amount of moisture. By reducing waste and runoff, they help conserve water while boosting crop yields. But irrigation is only part of the story. Advanced drainage machines, such as the Von Am, are now used to install underground pipes that prevent waterlogging. By channeling excess water away from the roots, these systems protect crops from rot and disease, especially in regions prone to heavy rainfall. In wetter climates, giant trenchers carve out channels in muddy fields, allowing surplus water to drain away safely. This not only prevents crops from drowning, but also improves soil health and makes fields easier to work throughout the year. Even the maintenance of irrigation canals has gone high-tech. Hydraulic arms and modern machinery now clear debris and blockages with speed and precision, keeping water flowing smoothly to where it's needed most. This reduces downtime and ensures that irrigation systems remain reliable season after season. Thanks to these innovations, every drop of water is used wisely. Smarter irrigation and drainage systems are helping farmers adapt to a changing world, making agriculture more resilient and sustainable. On a thirsty planet, these advances ensure that we can feed the future without wasting our most vital resource. Farmers have always battled weeds and pests, but chemical sprays have downsides. Now, robots like the laser weeder use AI and lasers to target weeds without chemicals. Automated machines with cameras and blades precisely remove weeds near crops. Autonomous sprayers and GPS-guided planes deliver pesticides and fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy, reducing chemical use and waste. This high-tech arsenal gives farmers smarter, safer ways to protect our food. Before planting, farmers must prepare the soil, a job for some of the most powerful machines on the farm. Heavy disc harrows and moldboard plows break up soil, bury weeds, and mix in nutrients. Modern fertilizer spreaders inject nutrients directly into the ground, minimizing loss and odor. Multifunction machines like the Grimm potato planter till, ridge, plant, and fertilize in one pass. These tools create the perfect environment for crops to thrive, setting the stage for a successful harvest. After months of work, it's harvest time. A race to gather crops at peak freshness. Combine harvesters cut, thresh, and clean grain in one motion, while root crop machines gently lift potatoes and beets from the soil. A single potato harvester can process up to 30 tons an hour. Sugar, beet harvesters handle even more. In almond orchards, tree shakers and sweepers collect nuts efficiently. For citrus, massive drive-through harvesters brush ripe fruit onto conveyors. These machines are the muscle behind the world's food supply, making large-scale harvests possible. Delicate crops like peppers, asparagus, and grapes once required hand-picking. Now, robots with AI and 3D cameras gently harvest produce once thought too fragile for machines. The sweeper robot snips ripe peppers. Asparagus harvesters use sensors and vacuum tubes. Grape harvesters vibrate vines, collecting fruit at peak ripeness. Lettuce and spinach harvesters use sharp blades and conveyors for gentle, efficient collection. Technology now brings a gentle touch to even the most delicate harvests. The journey doesn't end at harvest. Machines preserve, transport, and prepare food for market. In Costa Rica, bananas glide on overhead cables to prevent bruising. Greenhouse robots move thousands of seedling trays with millimeter precision. Hay balers compress straw into dense bales in seconds. Tree pruners and spades maintain orchards and even relocate full-grown trees. These machines are the final link, ensuring food reaches us fresh and ready. Farming has been transformed by technology, empowering, not replacing farmers. Smart irrigation, robotic weeders, and powerful harvesters boost efficiency and sustainability. These machines are the unsung heroes behind every meal. Next time you eat, remember the farmers and the incredible technology that make it possible. The future of farming is here, more productive, sustainable, and abundant than ever.